Good morning, students. Today's family is Myrtaceae. Myself, Dr. Pratima Srivastav, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, JDB Government Girls College, Kota. Students, let us first discuss about its systematic position. According to Bentham and Hooker, they are placed under Dicotyledone, Polypetalae, Calyciflorae, Myrtales, and Myrtaceae. Diagnostic features of Myrtaceae are: leaves are aromatic, gland dotted, ax stipulate, margin is entire, means it is not serrate or seriolate, it is a smooth. Flower is hermaphrodite, यानी कि both the sex organs are present in the same flower. Actinomorphic, epigynous, यानी कि ovary is inferior, calyx 4 to 5, gamosapalous, sometimes thrown off as a lid, corolla 4 to 5, free or united. Since it comes under polypetally, generally the petals are free. Stamens indefinite, carpels 2 to 5 syncarpous, ovary is inferior, placentation is exiled, style and stigma simple, fruit, berry or drupe. The family contains 100 genera and 300 species, out of which India contributes 116 species. The chief sources of eucalyptus. The members of this family are mostly trees: eucalyptus, syzygium, psidium, जिसको हम अमरूद कहते हैं, और shrub caria. Very rarely they are herbs. Some of the species of eucalyptus attain a height of 300 feet. When we talk about the root, because it is a dicotyledon member, the root is taproot and branched. Stem is erect, woody, branched. Bark is very shining, smooth, and goes off in old trees like eucalyptus. Vascular bundles are bicollateral. Leaves are simple, opposite, alternate in eucalyptus or whorled, shortly petiolate. They have very short stalk. X stipulate or with minute stipule. Stipule is a small leafy-like structure. Then the gland dotted, coriaceous, evergreen. Leaves of eucalyptus show adaptation to dry climatic and intense sunlight conditions and may become needle-like and take a vertical position. When we talk about the floral characters, inflorescence is usually of cyme type, sometimes panicle cyme or corimbose cyme. Proliferous, drooping spike in callistemon, which is bottlebrush, axillary in psidium, amrud, solitary axillary in Myrtus communis, trichotomous cyme in syzygium, paniculate cyme in eucalyptus. Now the flower is pedicellate, यानी कि small pedicel or the stalk is there as in eucalyptus, or sessile as in callistemon, bracteate usually with two bracteoles, also in the callistemon, bottlebrush, ebracteate eucalyptus में, actinomorphic, hermaphrodite, epigynous, sometimes perigynous or the semi-inferior type, and it is complete. The calyx is sepals are 4 to 5 in number, gamosapalous or united, rarely reduced or thrown off like a lid as the flower opens. For example, eucalyptus, or it is entirely absent in some of eucalyptus species, quincuncial estivation. Now the corolla may 4 to 5 petals, more or less circular in form, polypetalous, sometimes gamopetalous and forming cap, for example eucalyptus, then quincuncial estivation. Androecium may stamens are indefinite, arranged in several whorls at the edge of the receptacle, polyandrous, rarely monoadelphous, for example callistemon, 5 and antipetalous in Melaleuca. In Melaleuca, leucadendron, the stamens are numerous but in 5 bundles. Opposite to petals, anthers dorsifixed or versatile, diathecous, small, intrors, connectives of anthers are usually gland dotted. In the bud condition, the stamens are bent. Now the gynoecium, carpels are 2 to indefinite, syncarpous, perigynous to fully epigynous inferior, 2 to many locular, exile placentation, rarely parietal, rhodamnia, 2 to indefinite, anatropous or campylotropous ovules per loculus. Style is simple, long, stigma is capitate. Now the fruit is a berry as in Cydium, capsule in Eucalyptus and Callistemon, drupe in Eugenia. Seed is non-endospermic. Then pollination is by insects, Anthophilus. Insects are attracted by colored stamens and floral parts. This is Callistemon. Here we are seeing the bracteate condition, then the calyx. 5 sepals are there which are showing imbricate estivation. 3 sepals are twisted. 3 sepals are twisted and one is completely outside and another is completely inside. The corolla is again showing quincuntial condition where it is also showing imbricate estivation. Now the TS of ovary, exile placentation is there. Now when we talk about the distribution, we have already mentioned about it. Economic importance, fruits. Some members of the family produce edible fruits. For example, Syzygium cumini, जिसको कि जामुन कहते हैं, Cydium gauchevum, अमरूद with edible fruits. Oil. The essential oils are obtained by the steam distillation of leaves and branches of Eucalyptus species. Syzygium caryophyllata, Eugenia caryophyllata yields the cloves of commerce. Clove oil, long ka tel, is extracted out of them. Medicine. Eucalyptus oil is used in influenza. It is mixed with clove oil and used in rheumatism. The roots of eucalyptus are purgative. Clove oil is antipyretic and largely used in gum troubles. The leaves of S. cumini are used in indigenous medicine for dysentery. The fruits of Myrtus communis are carminative and given in dysentery, diarrhea and rheumatism. Wood. The wood of eucalyptus and Cydium is used in engraving and making handles. In Australia, the wood of eucalyptus is used for railway sleepers, bridges and plywood industries. Ornamental. Many plants like Callistemon, Myrtius, Melaleuca, Leucadendron, Tristania, eucalyptus are cultivated for their showy nature in the gardens. Now when we talk about the affinities of the family, Engler and Prentill placed the Myrtaceae in the order Myrtiflori along with other 17 families. Wettstein, Basie and Hutchinson adopted the name Myrtales. Bentham and Hooker placed the family Myrtaceae along with Lytheraceae, Combretaceae and Onagraceae. Basie supported the view that the order Myrtales is allied to Rosales in many respects and probably derived from it. The order Myrtales is also allied to Umbellales in epigyny. The number of carpels and in pendulous ovules, hence the systematic position of Myrtales is just before the Umbellales. Primitive characters में जो plants हैं, they are trees, shrubs and climbers. Leaves are simple and alternate. Flowers hermaphrodite and actinomorphic. Petals are free. Stamens numerous and free. Advanced characters में flowers are epigynous. Calyx gamosepalous. Gynoecium is syncarpous and reduction in the number of carpels to 2. Like in Eugenia and Eucalyptus, ovules are campylotropous. Fruit is simple. Seeds are non-endospermic. There are some common plants of the family Callistemon, which is commonly known as bottlebrush tree. Eucalyptus is beautiful tall tree. Eugenia caryophyllata, the dried flower buds from the spice, the cloves, long, Eugenia caryophylla. Then Cydium gojeva, small tree yielding the fruit guava, amrut. Myrtus is aromatic shrub with shining leaves. Caria is large deciduous tree of shady places. So, please subscribe to our channel CC Raj, JDB, GGC Kota, and do keep watching our channel. Thank you very much.